In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bookmarks, double-sided in Canva. We'll keep it simple, clear, and set you up for a clean professional print. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. In the search bar, type bookmark to find ready-made sizes. Or set a custom size like 2.5 by 8 inches or 2 by 6 inches. These are common bookmark dimensions and print well without feeling too bulky. Make sure the orientation is portrait for a traditional look. If your Canva units aren't in inches, you can still type the dimensions with in to ensure accurate sizing. Once your canvas is ready, you can go two ways. If you want a head start, select a pre-designed template and customize it. If you prefer building from scratch, add your graphics, text, and colors to the first page. Keep key elements like titles or logos within a safe margin from the edge to avoid anything getting trimmed. Canva's rulers and guides are helpful here. Align items using the position tools so everything is centered or spaced exactly how you like. Consider contrast and readability, dark text on a light background or vice versa. So your bookmark is easy to read. Now create the back. Click the Add Page button right below your first design. This new page will be the back side. Design it to align with the front. You might mirror colors. Repeat a subtle pattern or add a quote, a logo, or a website. Make sure top and bottom orientation match between front and back, so text isn't upside down after printing. A quick way to ensure alignment is to copy elements from the first page and paste them in the same positions on the second. Then adjust the styling for the back. If you are making multiple bookmarks that need to match perfectly, copy the first design and place it on a new page. This keeps positions consistent from front to back across versions. Consistency is key for double-sided prints, especially if you plan to trim several at once. When you are happy with both sides, it's time to download. Click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print as the file type for the highest quality and crisp text. This format preserves sharp lines and accurate colors. If you see options for crop marks and bleed, enable them only if your printer requires it. Otherwise, leaving them off is fine for simple trimming. Make sure you include both pages, so the file contains the front and back. That's it. Thanks for watching.